Cutie at the Squirrel Buster feeder. Cleaned out the tray. Check the ground below. Checking out the other feeder. Whoa, its foot is caught in the grill. What can I do? The area is fenced off for outdoor renovation. I'm watching through the window. Maybe the contractor will help. He's a very kind man. But it's 7:30 p.m. He won't be back till the morning. It's wrecking my expensive Squirrel Buster feeder. It can't do much damage, but I can't leave a squirrel to die outside my bedroom window. I must see if I can get behind the fence and rescue it. It worked. The squirrel ran off. 2 days later, and it's back, shaking its tail, trying to decide. This is the squirrel that had caught its foot in the grill. It wants the food, but does not want to get caught again. Best decision ever made. Thanks for watching. See you next time.